Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain fillet, trim and the untrim, extend and sculpt. Already created some of the models for to explain. This is the surface fillet, you can observe on the screen, and the surface trim. This is untrim and extend, surface extend and surface sculpt. I will explain this 6 commands, nothing but 5 commands. I will explain this. Go into the fillet. After you create this light surface, I want to create the first object and the second object. Selecting on that, you can observe the material is removed and the fillet operation is completed. You can observe on the screen the fillet. You can observe on the by using the 3D F-orbit command. You can rotate by using this, and how much the fillet is created, what is the radius you can observe. You can go on to the 2D wireframe, you can observe in detail, and shades of gray also. You can develop the different types of models, and this is southwest isometric. I'm doing all of the operations in southwest isometric. Then this fillet is completed. The next command is trim. You can observe on the top of the edit tool, you can observe the edit trim option is there. I will explain with the trim command. On the next, this is the fillet. You can create the different types of fillet operations for the surfaces. Next one is surface trim, and go into the trim and selecting the first object and selecting the second surfaces, and after selecting the 2 surfaces, you can observe the material is removed. I'm selecting the first, again I'm selecting the second. You can observe again that you can observe the material is removed. I already explained how to create the fillet. I will explain with the same example by using the Ctrl Z. Trim, first select the object, 2 objects, and click on enter. After that, the cutting curves is asking how much you want to cutting curves are required. This cutting curve is required. Next, select the removed material, then material is removed. This is the simple command of the trim object. You want to 3D F-orbit, you can see the material is outside, material is totally removed, the inside material is there. This is the surface trim and the fillet trim as compared with the normal trim and the trim of the 3D solid and the surface solid commands, surface commands. And you can observe the untrim. You want to untrim this, you can also untrim by using this. And next one is extend. You want to extend any of the edges of the surfaces, you can by using this extend command. You can simply extend this operation. By using this operation, you can extend the different types of surfaces on enlarge or small by using this extend operations. Of the any of the edges you can extend it by using this operation. Creating the different types of objects same as previous. Copying all of the objects like this, you can observe on the horizontal positions. I will go on to the extend operations. I will explain with the detail, and you can observe the extend is there. After the extend, you can observe I'm removing the materials. 4 is required. See, I'm extend. Multiple sides are also possible. The single extend is also possible. I'm selecting the multiple. You can observe at a time I'm selecting the 2 baselines, and you can see the multiple extend is also possible by using the extend operation. This is the one of the basic tutorial for the beginners. You can develop the different types of models by using these commands. The next one is sculpt. Actually, I created this operation by using the sculpt. The 3D solid model is required. You want to remove all of the surfaces, only the 3D objects, solid objects will remain constant like this. This sculpt software is very important. You can observe this is the surface extrusion, and selecting on the double click, this is the 3D solid. You can observe this is the surface model. You want to remove all of the surfaces, you want to only the 3D object required. Simply this command is very helpful. See, all of the surface operations is deleted are removed by using these operations. You can observe I'm selecting this is not possible. Only for the 3D solid models is combined with the surface models. This object will creates as a pro, and you can observe the different types of layers are taken. 4 layers. You want to change the colors to this, you want to change the colors, you want to change any of the properties also by double click on that. On the right side, on the left side, you can observe the one of the dimensions isolines is there, and the height you want to change. The taper angle also is possible. I'm showing this. You want to change this different types of properties by using this operation. This is the one of the basic tutorial for the beginners of the surface modeling. On the edit, these are the basic edit commands in the surface modeling. You can observe all the model is created. You can observe I want to change the color to green or any of the blue or magenta. You can observe the green is selecting. By this you can give the different types of properties to the any of the objects in AutoCAD 2016.